this is Walter Jamal, and I'm here for Tested for Life in Canada for Canadian Tire, and I'm reviewing the Hoover LINX Cordless Signature Vacuum Cleaner with the 18-volt power pack. Let me just show you the box. I have it here because I just read it for you guys. Oops, sorry. Anyway, we're still recording. It does come with some features here. It has the cyclone technology, battery fuel gauge. It's low profile, so it goes under the furniture. It's got a reusable filter. It goes multi-purpose. It can change from bare floor to carpeting, and we'll show you that. And it's got steerable technology. We'll show you that. And it's a high-capacity dirt cup. And it comes in a small box like this, easy to put together. So here we go. First things first. Here it is. Very lightweight. It has the on-off feature, has bare floors, carpeting, all at the touch of a finger. Here's the battery pack. You just lift the tab up, pull it out, and it'll go into the charger. And it's an 18-volt. It'll charge for the first time for 3 hours. And then after that, it really takes about an hour to charge after that. It'll do 1,500 square feet. We have 3 floors here, 4,500 square feet house, so we do 1,500 square feet for a whole battery pack. You can buy an extra battery pack if you want to charge one while you're working with the other, but after you use one, it doesn't take that long to charge anyway. And here's the, sorry about that. Here's the charger. And my friend here, my son is taking the video. And on the bottom, it does show you the signals for charging, and it tells you what the LED light does. Like solid is charging, and then the flashing is ready to go. So right now, I used it for a little bit, maybe for 5 minutes for a demo, and it charges. And then once the blue light goes on and off, slowly blinking, it means it's fully charged. So it comes out like that. Put it inside the vacuum cleaner. It only goes in one way, so that's very easy to know. And the thing that fell out on us was the little easy empty container. And it does come with a filter. You can wash it, dry it for 24, let it be 24 hours, and then put it back in. And that one goes just in there like that. Only goes in one way. And then to empty it, there's a little button on the back. There's some of the lint that we picked up from the carpeting. Very easy to empty. There we go. And to put it in, you just line it up, like so. And it slides like in, and it clicks into place. Like so. Very simple. Okay, so bare floor. Here we go. And then we'll do the edge cleaning as well. Then it goes under the furniture. There we go. And it is pretty steerable. That's how it steers. And we're going to go under this couch here. There we go. Very nice. And then it has the edge cleaning. And it goes right to the edge and cleans the edge right here. And then we're going to just go into the carpet. There we go. And then I'm going to turn on the carpet brush. There we go. And it also has a fuel gauge right there, which tells you how much battery you have left. And we turn it off. Lightweight, functional, and we have a vacuum, built-in vacuum in the house. And sometimes to just drag it all out, the hose is not very, what am I saying here? You know, when it's not convenient. This is, my wife loves it because it's convenient. She just takes it out from the corner here, does a little vacuuming and little spills and whatnot, and very convenient for her. I would highly recommend it. Very powerful. The tunnel suction, just you've got suction from until it's full, so the suction stays the same. And well, there it is. There you have it. The wind tunnel technology, the Hoover LINX Cordless vacuum cleaner. Thank you.